Unlocking English. Understanding the phrase, milk pail. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, milk pail. Now, you might be wondering, what is a milk pail, and how is it used in English? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's delve into this phrase to help you understand its meaning and use it confidently in your conversations. Milk pail is a compound noun, which means it's a noun made up of two words combined to create a new meaning. Let's break it down. Milk, a white liquid produced by mammals, like cows or goats, which is often consumed by humans. Pail, a cylindrical container with a handle, used for carrying liquids. When combined, milk pail refers to a container used specifically for holding or carrying milk. Historically, milk pails were very common, especially in rural areas where people would milk cows and carry the fresh milk in these pails. They are often made of metal and have a wide opening at the top to make milking directly into the pail easier. Understanding this historical context can give you a better sense of how the term came to be and why it might be used in certain settings more than others. Now that we know what a milk pail is, let's see how to use it in sentences. The farmer carried the milk pail carefully, making sure not to spill any milk. She used an old milk pail as a decorative flower pot on her porch. As you can see, milk pail can be used both in its original context, related to farming and milk, or more creatively, as in the second example. To enhance your vocabulary, let's look at some synonyms and related phrases. Bucket, a general term for a pail, used for carrying a variety of things, not just milk. Milk can, another container used for holding milk, but usually with a narrower opening and a lid. Knowing these related terms can help you understand variations and nuances in different English conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, milk pail. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase, helping you to understand its meaning, historical background, and how to use it in sentences. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.